Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Your Apple Watch model and Watch OS must support custom watch faces. Once confirmed, open the Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to the Face Gallery. Alternatively, install a Peanuts profile app if required. Make sure you have a high-quality Snoopy image sized appropriately, 368 by 448 pixels for most modern models, and save it to Photos. Now, tap the plus icon to add a new face and choose the Photos or External Face option so you can start importing Snoopy immediately. Next, import Snoopy into a watch face. In the Watch app, select the Photos face or the Peanuts template if using an external app, then pick your saved Snoopy picture. Once loaded, adjust position and zoom so Snoopy centers correctly. Choose full screen for a bold look or framed for complications. Then customize complications. Add time, battery, activity rings, and a quick app shortcut you use often. Remember to tap Add to sync the face to your watch. This pushes the image and settings immediately. Finally, set Snoopy as your active face on the watch and confirm any interactive elements behave as expected. If the image appears cropped or blurry, export it again at the exact resolution and file type. Use PNG or high-quality JPEG, and re-import so the face renders sharply. If the new face won't sync, force restart the watch and iPhone, then try again. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. As a last resort, unpair and repair the watch to refresh profiles and fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.